Hey guys, this is Technology King bringing you another video. Today I will be talking about Filebot, which is a media renamer. So have you ever had a bunch of content, movies, music, whatever, and it just wasn't named properly? So you can organize it properly. Here's the program for you, which is Filebot. Alright, I'm going to jump right into it. Alright, when you open up Filebot, this is what you will see. The main thing I'll be focusing on today is renaming. It has tons of other features, but that'll be coming in another video. Okay, I'm going to just show you, this is all the databases that it has right here that you can search from. You can edit the format if you don't like basically what Filebot has come up to rename format. You can edit it right there. So let's get into it. I'm going to come over here, click load. Boom. Here's a series that I have, Last OG. And this is for educational purposes only. Okay, boom. This is the whole season 1. You see how it's not formatted properly. It tells you basically what quality it is in the name. It just doesn't look clean. So here we go. I'm just going to click open. There you go. Then here's all the files here. Now if I come over here to match, watch what it does. Now I can select from one of the databases. I'm going to choose this one. Let it do its thing. There you go, right there. That's what that database came up with. As far as how it's going to be named. This looks a lot better than this over here to me. And then simply to get it to the change to take effect, you just hit rename. And it will be in that same folder, all renamed. You don't have to do anything. And I'm going to show you just there it goes right there. Everything is renamed. Quick, easy way to rename your stuff. And then I'm going to give you a great tip. This is a great tool to use when you're getting content for Plex, Envy, Jellyfin. Thank you guys. Technology King signing out. Like, share, and subscribe. Happy streaming. Have a wonderful day.